Well, I was trying out a new bike for the first time, and I turned into my drive, and as it went across onto the gravel, it oversteered. I wasn't used to the bike and went down on my right hip, and it drove the femur through the hip. So that's been repaired in Scotland, and there's 2 plates in it. So now I'm here to get the hip replacement because it knocked out, all the cartilage was knocked out of the joint. So it's been quite a painful year, but we're ready to go for it now. I think I decided to go abroad because I'd heard a lot about the quality and the service of hip replacements in Lithuania, and all good. And not just the hospital work, the clinical work, but the atmosphere and the caring nature of the people, right from, we're just making first contact by email, and the care and the questions are answered the way you wanted and promptly. And there's nothing invasive about it. Absolute trust in it. Well, I chose Fi Clinica because of the promptness and the care in the answers. And I felt as though that there was a full service available, in that my body condition is not that straightforward. I don't just have although I'm just looking for a hip replacement, there are other issues that need to be cared for at the time. And I think that Fi Clinica has the expertise to do that, rather than being a specialist orthopedic clinic. My first impression was excellent, and it wasn't a lot different than I was going to expect. And having worked as a ski instructor, I've had involvement with clinics in Italy and Switzerland, so I've kind of had an idea of what it would be like. What I might call the kind of cleanliness and the tightness of it, the organisation and the quietness and the calm that was there, because I was expecting that. I've climbed and skied all my life, and then from the 40s, I've managed to work in it as a mountain guide or a ski instructor, and it can take a toll on your body, because you're doing there's a lot of potential to hurt yourself in it. For me to have a serious accident when I was 71, it was quite a setback, because all the years that you've accumulated some fitness, you've lost it just in one blow. And even if I wasn't working as a ski instructor, I would still be able to ski and be active. So that was quite a shock. And the idea of waiting 3 years further, after 1 year, the NHS would just say, you might as well just forget it, because by that time I'm going to be 74, and any fitness you would ever accumulate would be well gone. No, I beg your pardon, I'd be 77. Would just be pointless. So it's, do it now, and then you're still a good active life left. And I feel as, hopefully, if things go well, I can start and get back active again during this summer, that I can be skiing instructing again next year, for next season starting in December.